Saisha, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Saisha, please tell us about your overall journey. How did you came to know about the course, and what was the transition, what was the training, and finally to the placement?
Okay, ma'am. I recently shifted to Bangalore, so I didn't knew about this clinical research and all things. My one of my friends suggested me CLRI, that she has taken a certificate course from this CLRI, and she has joined IQVIA. So I was like, okay, fine, let me try. I joined for an online batch. It was really very helpful for me. I'm total fresher for corporate field. I was basically a lecturer before this, so I didn't knew about this corporate soft skills and all the technical things, which was really very helpful. And it was all interactive classes. It was not just one way classes there, so it was very interactive. They used to ask questions in the middle, so that way we used to concentrate in the class, and we used to participate in the class. So it was really very helpful, and they used to tell us about the interview questions also, that these will come in the interviews and all. So they prepared us they prepared us there only for the interview questions also, then how we should answer them and all. So yeah, so this was all about the classes. I enjoyed the classes. And next, about the interview, we got placed in this placement group, where we get to know about the placements. Next, I used to apply there, but somehow I didn't get selected there. But in this Advarra thing, I got selected, and they conducted a mock interview before we attended the main interview. So it was really helpful. There I got the feedback that you have to be confident enough to face the interview. So that was the key thing I took from the mock interview. And in the interview also, that was the main thing, that whatever it is, however I speak and all, I should be confident enough to face it. So I applied that there, and the results are here, that I got selected. And it was really all because of CLRI that I got into that.
That's a beautiful journey. Amazing. All the very best. So do well. Make us proud.
Yeah.
We are there to support in future also. If there is anything we can do, we will definitely extend our support. Thank you so much. And I just want you to know that it is also because you have put in your 100%, which is very, very important. We can definitely guide you. We can show you the path, but you are the one who has actually, walked on it and successfully met your goals.
Yeah, but ma'am, teachers have showed me the path, like how I should go there.
Yes,
If I would have
absolutely.
gone blindly there, then this would have not happened there. This confidence what I have got is really through the institute, what they have taught me.
Amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much, Saisha.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.